everybody, me, Charco, you know me, back at it again. And this time, I'm hungry, so we're gonna make some soup. And, I noticed in my last couple videos that I seem to have, waste time with opening stuff. Like, opening the, cans and, containers the foods are in, and getting water in the pot. So, instead of doing that, we're just gonna already have everything ready. We don't need any water though, so yeah. So, first we're gonna start with some kidney beans. Someone took kidneys out of people. I think they're just straight up kidneys. So, let's go. Yeah, those are red. Oh my gosh, maybe they are actually kidneys. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, it reeks. Okay, well, it might taste better if I had some black beans, because we're not racist here. Oh god, wonderful. Oh, that's... This isn't looking good. Maybe some meat. So we got some tuna here. This comes from where I'm from. This is kind of crap. I don't want to make a mess of myself. Come on. Oh gosh, this is not looking good at all. Guys, I think I made a mistake here. We need more meat, that's a problem. Hot dogs! Open up the cylinders. There you go. Oh, there you go. All three! Yeah! Alright, we just need some paprika! Paprika! That's all we need. Anyway, come on. I'm opening up my butt. Maybe we don't need that. I'm gonna find something else. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back, and I got some tapioca. I got some tapioca. I got tapioca pudding. I was thinking maybe like that, and then it won't be as bad. Maybe. I don't know. Let's add the applesauce in there first, because that's probably gonna make it taste yummy. Oh, okay, that's making it look... Well, it's making it look brighter. So this is good. I don't know if I can do this, man. I'm trying. Oh, it spilled! Ew, it spilled! Oh, you just get in there. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. What? I don't want to eat that now. Okay, I don't know if I should eat that. Oh god. Oh my, please. Give me some beans. I need some time to deal with this one. I might just go in there like I always did. Doing it for you. It's all so bad. What was I thinking? These little red things. They're actual livers. I mean kidneys. Yes, they're kidneys on there.